This is Gene Trowbridge with the law firm of Trowbridge Nieh, and we're securities lawyers. What we do is we help people form groups of investors to raise equity so that they can go out and buy real estate or invest in businesses that they're operating. And today I'd like to tell you a success story of one of our clients who had quite an experience level in mobile home parks. And they had done several mobile home parks. And what they decided when they were on one of their travels, actually, around the country in their RV, they found a project, a piece of dirt, on a lake shore that they thought would be perfect to build an RV park. Now, building an RV park was something new to them, but they had quite a bit of experience in building mobile home parks and managing mobile home parks, so that they thought that they could be successful in raising money and completing this project. And they were. They raised the money, they completed the project, and the project was really 9 acres lakefront property, and they were going to build a park with 68 pads. In order to do this project, they needed to raise $1,800,000. And they went forward and they did that. And their investors had a minimum investment amount of $50,000. You're going to find that in today's market, $50,000 is the most common minimum investment amount. Sometimes it's $25,000 if it's a smaller deal, and the syndicators, my clients, are a little less experienced in raising money, don't have quite the extensive database of past investors, but $50,000 is pretty darn normal with $1,000 increments. Most of the time we set it up that if someone wants to invest more than 50, they can come in with $1,000 increments. They could invest 65 or 82, whatever they wanted to do. Now, in this deal, it was a construction project, so there wasn't going to be any current income for a while. But once it got up and running, there would be income. And then, of course, they projected to sell the property at some time. So what we're doing here is we did an 80-20 split. No preferred return. When the project was built and the project started generating revenue, the revenue would be split 80-20, 80% to the investors and 20% to the sponsor. Now, this sponsor took a $10,000 acquisition fee for finding the project, a 2% annual asset management fee based on the revenue that the company produced, and then a 7% property management fee. In addition, because there was going to be construction work on the project, they took an 8% construction management fee on the total cost of the project. So as I said, this primarily had been a mobile home park syndicator who did this project. The project is successful. The construction isn't quite completed, but they do have certain RVs parked in, and they have a certificate of occupancy, and they're doing well. So that's a real success story in something a little bit different than we're used to doing, a construction of a lakefront RV park. So I wanted to tell you about that success story. This has been Gene Trowbridge with the Trowbridge Nieh Group. We are syndication lawyers. You can reach me at 949-570-1507, or go to our website. A lot of good things. TN LLP, as in Trowbridge Nieh LLP.com, and look us up at YouTube, at our YouTube channel. Thank you.